Good morning, everyone. It is Tammy, and it is 6 o'clock on Friday morning, and we are heading into work, and it's going to be a good day today. We had some surprise rain last night that was kind of nice, and it sounded nice. It was nice to sleep, so I got some good rest, and I have my blueberry coffee ready to go. I'm so excited about it. I talked about it sometime, but it's really good. If you guys haven't tried blueberry coffee and you like flavors, try it, because I love blueberry, but I think this is really good. And one of my coworkers, the manager on my team, my seatbelt is all like twisted. He told me about it, and we were in Cincinnati together last week, and we stopped at Dunkin' Donuts, which is where I guess he found it first, and it's so good. Now I can make it at home with blueberry flavored coffee, and I have some blueberry flavoring because you guys know me, I'm crazy. I find something I like and I'm like, oh, I gotta get it. So I like it. It's not as good as the Dunkin' Donuts yet, but this is probably my second, maybe third cup since last week of the blueberry flavor. So I haven't experimented enough to get the exact ratio. This morning I just have blueberry coffee with some of my French vanilla cream. So we'll see. I haven't tasted it yet. It's still too hot. I just made it. So there's that. Today after work, we are as a team doing an outing at Topgolf, so I'm going to do that. I kind of wanted to do that for the first time with my family, but the newness, or the excitement of it has kind of worn off, because Katie and Alex have both been to Topgolf more than once. Alex has been several times, so it's not, I mean, they love it, but it's not like something that we're like, oh gosh, we got to do this together. Dennis hasn't been yet, and I haven't been yet, but I'm gonna go today, and then hopefully one of these days, still this summer, the four of us, me, Katie, Alex, Dennis, can go as a family and just have some fun. So that's my plan. So maybe I can scope it all out tonight and figure out what we need to do. I don't know if I still need this or not. I don't know. And then Katie and I are going to go get our nails done, which, thank goodness, I have claws on my fingers now. It seems like they're so long. I do not like it when they get this long. And it's hard to like just do normal things like knit and pick up stuff. I don't know. I just don't like it when they're this long. Some people don't think that this is long at all, but to me this is very, very long. So get these bad boys trimmed down and redone. And I don't think I'm going to do a color. I don't know. I love color, but I also love the French, so I don't know yet what I'm going to do, but I'll probably just come home with the French manicure again. Oh, and I'm going to bring the baby blanket to my friend today too. I just want to go ahead and get that done, because I don't want this to be like her gift, because it was my first one. It's not that great, but I have it wrapped with a little ribbon, and I put these little baby booties in there too. I made these. Aren't they cute? So hopefully she'll be able to use them. I don't know. I'm like, it's hard to remember like what size a baby is, and I followed the pattern, but still, I mean, and that didn't take any time at all, which is kind of cool. So maybe I can do like another pair later or something, if they turn out well, I don't know, to fit and feel good on the baby, I guess. So I'm gonna give that to my friend today, and no particular reason why it's today, just because I'm ready to gift it. I was gonna put some satin around the edges. I think I told you guys that, because it's not very straight, but I looked at it some more, and it's not that bad. And she knows it's my first blanket ever, and she knows that I just started knitting in November, and gosh, I probably did that in January, so, or maybe even December. I mean, I did it a long time ago, so I'm not really worried about it. And I think that, like, I did have some holes where I missed stitches or something, and so I kind of fixed those the best that I can. But I think it's fine. I think if I put satin on it, it would just make it look, because I don't know how to do that either. So I've never done that before. I just feel like it would make it worse. So I'm just gonna leave it like it is. It's very, very soft. If she uses it, that's great. If she decides to use it as a burp cloth, that's fine. Whatever, I don't care. If she wants to just say, oh, thanks, and then give it to the Goodwill, as long as I don't know, I guess I won't care. If I knew, it would probably hurt my feelings a little bit, but not really. I get it. You sometimes don't know what to do with all the things that you have, and so I need to just know that she's not doing it because she doesn't appreciate it, because I know she will. And I'm making this up in my mind. I don't even know what the heck she might just use it every day. It might be the kid's favorite blanket. I don't know. I don't even know. So Alex has his graduation rehearsal today, and then tomorrow is graduation, so that's pretty cool. And David is coming tomorrow to visit with Katie, so that will be good. She hasn't seen him for a little while, so I'm excited for her and for him. And I'm kind of excited to see the kid too. He's a good kid. I like him, so I'm kind of excited to see him. Hopefully I'll be able to, with all of the festivities for Alex's graduation, you know, the graduation itself, and then we're going to the Cheesecake Factory to eat. And the Cheesecake Factory doesn't take reservations, so we have to go there and put our name in and then wait and then hopefully get in and blah, blah, blah. So if it turns out that I don't get to see him this time, I'm sure I'll see him soon, but I am excited for him and Katie, because I know that it's been a while and it's cute, so that's adorable. And I think he's going to go to Florida this summer, from what I understand. I don't know. I didn't get the whole scoop, but he's going to be doing some program down in Florida, or internship or something. So he is going to, when they start tailoring in the fall, he's going to be a senior and Katie will be a junior. And my son is going to IU. He's going to be a freshman. Crazy. His party is next weekend. So I think I'm pretty much good with that. I need to still print a few pictures and get that going, but I feel pretty good about it. Yes, I do. So that's pretty cool. What else do I know? That's about it right now. That's a lot, I feel like. I have been knitting, I've been reading, I've been listening to an audiobook. Actually, I've been listening to audiobooks, which is nice. And still doing my Bible, my devotion, you know, my 40 days still is going on, so you guys should tune into that in the mornings if you're interested. It's the Purpose Driven Life by Rick Warren, and I just read a day for 40 days. Actually, I think it ends up being like 42 days. I don't know. But I am on day 32 today, so if that interests you at all, you can tune in the morning and hear from the book. It's not really the word, but it's I just read the book, so it's not the Bible. I'm not reading from the Bible or anything, but I kind of like having that devotional time and reading. So I don't know, I'm not gonna guarantee that I will continue anything like that, but I wouldn't be opposed to doing something like that again in the future. But I will say that doing it every day it's a lot, so I'm not going to continue it when this book is done, but I may entertain something like that again later down the road. So yeah, I haven't really still been into Stampin' Up. I got the new catalog and I'm excited about some of the new things, but I'm not like super duper into it, so I don't know. I'm gonna order some things, and they have tons of new colors. They changed the way their ink is, like the ink pad itself is changed. They got rid of a ton of colors and are adding a whole bunch more, some of which they're bringing back from before, but I don't know how many of those. I didn't really take a good look at it. If I were really into selling it, I would get all of them again, because I do love their colors and I love that everything is matchy-matchy, but I don't really need all of that. And I still have colors from back in the day that I'm using. So, I mean, like, I know that there's a new pretty yellow, but I still have a yellow, so I'm like, I don't need 18 different shades of yellow. I don't use yellow very often at all, so I talked myself out of doing that, and just, not that it took much, I wasn't really entertaining that, but I am going to order a couple stamp sets I know that I really liked, and we'll see how it goes. But I do love making cards, and I know that that's something that got my channel even viewed. I don't know. I guess I'd like to know what you guys want to see, because I, have made this channel lots of different things, and I enjoy all of the things that I put on the channel. And I'm not a big channel at all, but I'm happy with my subscribers and all of that. I love all of you. I think it's fabulous, and it makes me happy. I would like to grow bigger. If that's, something that's in the cards, I would love to do that. I just don't know. I don't really have like a niche, I guess, which it is what it is. And this is not my full-time job. I, do a lot. So whatever, if there's something you guys would like more of and I can do it, I will think about that. I'm not gonna promise all of you that I'll do everything that you want me to do, because that's just a crazy promise. There's no way. And it has to make me happy too. It has to be stuff that I like to do and want to do. So, I do like making cards. I have a ton of cards though, so I don't know. Now I'm just talking out loud, thinking out loud. And I am almost at work, so I'm going to let you guys go, and I will hopefully post this today. But I hope that you guys have a fabulous Friday and a happy weekend, and enjoy some time with your loved ones, or even by yourself. Just do something that makes you happy. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.